कौसल्येचा रामबाई, कौसल्येचा राम, कबीराचे विणतो शेले, कौसल्येचा रामबाई. मुलं मोठी झाली, शिक्षणानिमित्त आणि नोकरीनिमित्त भारताच्या बाहेर गेली. माझा स्वभाव थोडा इमोशनल आहे. मुलं नसल्यामुळे मला थोडंसं वाटायचं. पण इतकं मला कधी एकटं फील व्हायचं नाही. पण 1.5 वर्षांपूर्वी असं व्हायला लागलं. 1.5 वर्ष जवळजवळ झाली. माझ्या मैत्रिणींनी सजेस्ट केलं की सायकियाट्रिस्ट तिच्या भाऊच कडे तू जा म्हणे. औषध घेत होते. मग माझ्या मुलीनी अमेरिकेला बोलवलं म्हणून मग जायचं ठरवलं म्हणून मी त्यांना पण दाखवलं.
When she was cooking, my son-in-law was sitting just behind her and he was talking to her. Suddenly she stopped talking and she laughed for a while. So my son-in-law was surprised to see what's happened. So he got up and went near her. So that's the time when she stiffened suddenly and was still and almost collapsed. And that's the time he called me. I was in the other room, so I rushed there. She was shifted to the hospital nearby. She was diagnosed of the brain tumor. After MRI, CT scan and all that, they advised a surgery, immediate surgery. But I decided to bring her to India.
Mrs. Kasture came to us, I think in February, early February. When I saw her first, her language or speech was not normal. She was confusing words. She had become very quiet. There was a look of anxiety on her face. And when I asked the family in depth, they told me that her personality has been changing over the last 2 years. What was important in her case was the tumor was on the left side where our speech or language function is. So her speech was affected. Her personality was affected. Surgically speaking, the tumor was located deep inside and it was wrapped by a very important blood vessel. It is called as a vein of Labbé, and that vein is the one which drains most of the language area. So our job was not only to take out the tumor, but to keep the remaining brain intact. Luckily, she made a very smooth recovery, and on 5th day after surgery, she was discharged home. Over the last 2 to 3 months, she has regained her personality back.
मग आता इम्प्रूव्हमेंट होतीये माझी आणि खूप छान वाटतं की आपण ह्याच्यातनं बाहेर आलो. आय एम लिव्हिंग हॅपीली नाऊ की आलो बाहेर ह्याच्यात. आणि आता मी आज टुडे आय एम फीलिंग व्हेरी कम्फर्टेबल बिकॉज आय हॅव जस्ट विजिटेड डॉक्टर अँड बोथ ऑफ देम टोल्ड मी दॅट इट टेक्स सम टाइम बट यू विल कम आउट.